Hey everyone, so in this video I will tell you about the exam form filling process of JUT. So this is a notice that that is published by the college, and I have opened that. So here you can see that the bank details of the JUT is provided, and in there just below you have a link where you have to submit the exam form and all. After submitting that, you have to submit a PDF of that. This link is basically by the college where they will approve your form after seeing all that you have made the payment or not. Okay, let's begin. So the first doubt which comes is what is the UTR number. Okay, if you have opened Gyan Jyoti 2.0, you will find that what is the UTR number. So basically UTR number is nothing. Whenever you do online payment, then the UTR number for like Google Pay or any other is UPI transaction ID, and for PhonePe directly UTR number is provided. Or if somehow online mode of transaction is not available, then you can get the printout of this challan. Then you have to go to the PNB bank, that is Punjab National Bank. There you have to submit this challan, filling all your details that is asked, like your name, your branch, and amount and such thing. Okay, just leave vacant the transaction ID and UTR number there. After submitting this challan and paying the required amount, the bank official will provide you a UTR number that you have to fill. Okay, then you have to Google Gyan Jyoti 2.0, click on the first link. You have to click on the click to fill exam form. Okay, click there, enter your registration number, whatever will your registration number, enter that. Then you have to select your required semester, then all your details will be shown there, like your name, your father's name. Okay, then you have to fill in bank name. You have to fill the name of the bank from which you have done the payment. It can be SBI, it can be PNB, any other bank from which your UPI is connected, or if you have done from challan, you have made challan from which bank. Okay, then you have to write the challan number. It will be like I have to mention earlier what is the challan UT. So you have to mention the challan or UTR number. I have mentioned earlier what is challan or UTR number. Then you have to fill the challan or UTR date, on which date you made the payment, or on which date you made a challan. Okay, then you have to fill the amount will be mentioned in the notice. Okay, amount vary from, like, sometimes it is 1150, sometimes it's 1650. Okay, and you have to select the mode of examination. Then you have to select your papers, like for what are the papers in your semester. If you don't know, ask your friend in the WhatsApp group or check the syllabus of your semester. You will find, you have to click on that, select your subjects that are in your syllabus. Okay, then you have to click on the submit the form. Then after there will be you will have the option to print the PDF of the exam form, save the PDF. Okay, then you have to open the link in the notice which is provided by the college. Okay, you have to click on that. Then here some details you have to fill, like your name, your branch and all. Then you have to fill your name of the papers. Just copy all the names of the paper from that exam form filling option there and copy and paste here. Okay, then you have to select your branch. Then you have to upload your exam form. This exam form, I told you, you will get the option to get a PDF. So you have to upload a PDF there. Then you have to upload a exam fee receipt. Like if you have done the online payment from UPI, you can upload a screenshot of that payment. Or if you have done from challan, you have to make a PDF of that challan and you have to upload it here. Okay, then you have to submit that, and after this form will go to the college of admin department of the college, and they will approve your form after verifying all your details. Okay, so that was all. So I hope I cleared all your doubts, and if you have any more doubts, do comment your query below. And guys, do subscribe this channel. I will try to make all such informative videos on a regular basis. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you. Signing off.